Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2015 Isuzu D-MAX, stock number 6945. This ran from the 6/2014 to the 10th 2016. Has a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a 4JJ1 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight, left front guard no dents, left front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, front bonnet, left hand aftermarket door mirror, left front door, left rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front door no dents, right hand aftermarket mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 6-inch steel wheel good tyre, right front headlight, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,